Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. We will now talk about reports. You can send yourself a report about each one of the companies that you have in there. So if you click in one of the companies that you have created, open it, you will see reports on the left side panel. Once you click on it, you will click on email report, and a report will be sent over to your email, the email of the person that is of course logging in with that account. Once you receive the report, you will open it and you have a full report with a date when it was created, the company information, all the contacts listed in that one company, the staff, vendors, all the documents with links for each one of them, the pictures and the buildings, contacts for each building, photos, and of course the projects as well.